It is Tuesday, December 16th, 2025, approximately 8 o'clock a.m. This is a repair attempt for State Farm Claim 2091. M as in Mary, 397B as in Bravo. Francisco, go ahead and just record. At no point during this repair attempt will any of these shingles be brought back in more than 45 degrees. We'll be taking a look at these neighboring shingles to see if we have any type of damage in regards to granules. Stuck, huh? Gotcha. As you can see, we have extreme granule loss going across the top here. These shingles are old and brittle. I mean, they're probably around 20 years old. That new guy in there. As we put the shingle back in, I'm going to be closing in and moving forward the video so you can see exactly what's going on with the neighboring shingles. Try to get as much light as possible. As you can see, we have granule loss across this whole specific shingle face. I'll go to each one as we continue to do the repair. So again, just moving all across. Across the whole face, anywhere where there's an attempt so far to go ahead and get these things up and back down. We got movement everywhere. As mentioned, these shingles are old and brittle. Alright, that completes this repair attempt. This is a failed repair attempt. Go ahead and have you take a look at this up close. See the stuff moving everywhere. Failed repair attempt 2091, M as in Mary, 397B as in Bravo.